Sometimes we use to make FaceTime video call with other Apple iPhone users, but sometimes they'll be telling that they are not able to see your video. If you are having a problem like this, in this video we will be telling about how to solve this. The problem may be because you have disabled your video. Anyways, I am opening my FaceTime application and for example, I am calling this contact. Now that person has attended that call, and sometimes our video may not be visible to them. Here you can see, in their phone you cannot see my video. So they'll be telling they are not able to see your video. In that case, what you need to do is click anywhere, and when you are clicking on that here you can see a sign like this. A video button, but in red color. What you need to do is just click on that button. When you are clicking on that, it will change to green color. That means your video is on, and after this they can see your video. So this way you can easily solve the problem that in FaceTime video call, your video is not visible. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.